Why is certification management so difficult? Most of the industries like manufacturing, transportation, healthcare, oil and gas, etc. requires number of compliance trainings on a regular basis. If not done in time, this can cause massive financial sanctions and fine for violating regulations, loss of productivity and profit, government penalty, and license deferrals, the risk of injury and likely lawsuits due to hazardous work environment. While making sure your employees are properly qualified to do their jobs may appear uncomplicated, keeping an eye on the status of their applicable certifications can be a challenge for many employers, and one that can be easily missed. Some employers keep the certification record either in binders or using spreadsheets, and use platforms like Microsoft Word for evaluation and approval. It made managing certification details of employees very cumbersome. In case the certification is to be renewed, one has to check manually, no automated notification on expiry date. Reporting is laborious due to the fact gathering all the data manually in spreadsheets and inserting charts and graphs. Entire process of managing certification compliance is not centralized. But we already know you are watching this video because that approach hasn't worked well. So let's talk about a better approach. Certification compliance application from Bits in Glass is the best-in-class certification compliance management application. The application revolves around three users: HR, manager, and employee. HR will assign certification to employees based on their role and responsibilities. A manager can approve or reject certification uploaded by the employees as per the scenario. Employee will take certification exam and upload the certificate on the app for the manager's approval. Without further ado, let's explore the application in action. Here, HR defines recurrence frequency of a certification once, and thereafter an employee receives automated reminder of due certification, thereby reducing manual efforts. Alright, a new case is generated upon certification assignment. A notification email is sent to the employee for new certification. HR can also create customized training programs, like if one certification needs 3 months of preparation or planning, the employee will receive reminder 3 months in advance to start planning. Alright, so let's log in as the employee to see the assigned certification. Here, once the employee logged in, employee can see their work list upon login. They will select the assigned certification case. Here the employee can see the certification details and its frequency and start preparing for the certification exam. The employee will upload the certificate after clearing the exam and mention the percentage. Upon submit, the approval request will be sent to the reporting manager. The manager will receive a notification email for approval. Let's log in as a manager. The manager will log in and click on the approval request received and verify the attached certificate. After verifying the certificate, manager will approve the request. A notification is then sent to employee for approval. Reporting in this application is quite interactive with graphical representation of data. HR and manager can get a single-click view of the overall status of compliance across the organization. Now, that's a lot of features, but we are not even close to showing all of them.